Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2016 Toyota Tundra SR5. This is a 5-passenger 4-door pickup and radiant red. Under the hood you'll find a 5.7-liter V8 riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your front tow hooks, fog lights and daytime running lights, running boards, and trailer hitch for all your towing needs. But now why don't we hop inside this Tundra and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons as well as our panic button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space that runs along the entire side. And above it are your power windows and locks. Next to the door you have your lighting options and your power mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. On the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. So first we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. You have this cluster right here and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment display located right in the center. Below that are your volume options. If we look here, you do have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. And this display button does help you navigate through your multi-information display like so. And while we're up here, just to show you, this Tundra does have 89,411 kilometers on it. Entertainment screen, right now we're on home. It's got this split screen with whatever audio might be playing and any device that might be connected. If we go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options as well. It's a choice between USB auxiliary, CD, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, nice and clear with guidelines. Down below is your climate control system. Nice and simple. Smooth turning dials. Next to that you have your drivetrain selector. Below, USB auxiliary, 12-volt outlet as well as some storage space, a cup holder. Behind the, or next to the shifter, you do have 2 extra cup holders. This huge center console. Does also feature a 12-volt outlet in there as well. And lastly is the glove box. Plenty of space. You got that shelf up top there. It does feature your owner's manual. Now let's just close that right up. So before we take a look at cargo, let's take a quick look in the back first. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And just to show you, these seats do fold up like that one. Just by pressing that button up. Nice and easy. Of course, under both you do have these nice little storage compartments. Plenty of space. And to put them down, all you got to do, just lift that and they drop down nice and easy. So to open up, all you got to do is just give this handle a gentle pull and that'll drop down for you. Plenty of cargo space in the back in this super long bed, and of course it does come with a bed liner. So to close up, all you got to do, just give this a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota Tundra SR5. Once again, some of those great interior features include your power adjustable seating, Bluetooth, and backup camera. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.